Inside the Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai. You might have heard about a hotel located off the shores of Dubai, a hotel which is on a man-made island. The Burj Al Arab is the world's only 7-star hotel with the highest official ranking. The hotel was previously limited to only guests, but after 21 years offers a tour of the hotel called Inside Burj Al Arab for everyone to discover what makes this hotel so special. What do you know about the Burj Al Arab? Let us know in the comments. So welcome back to Money Future. Today, in the next few minutes, we'll take a look inside one of the world's most iconic hotels, the Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai. So make sure to watch the video till the end. It's an ultra-luxurious spot in Dubai, and undoubtedly the most famous landmark and also a tourist attraction in Dubai. Since its opening in 1999, the Burj Al Arab has hosted a coveted guest list of VIPs and celebrities from all over the world, helping to establish Dubai as a global luxury tourism destination. It is the world's 7th tallest hotel, built on an artificial island about 280 meters or 920 feet from the nearest beach, Jumeirah Beach. The structure was specifically constructed to avoid casting a shadow on the beach. It took 3 years to develop the reclaimed ground, but less than 3 years to erect the building. The hotel is exceptionally tall. The 321-meter-tall Burj Al Arab Jumeirah is 14 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower and only 60 meters shorter than the Empire State Building. The building's technically 50 floors, but each suite is of 2 floors, making the floors 25 and counting. Burj Al Arab is accessible via a private bridge that connects the artificial island to the mainland. The design is meant to resemble the sail of a high-tech J-class yacht and is reminiscent of the Vasco da Gama Tower in Lisbon, Portugal. Interesting fact, do you know that 4 out of the 5 tallest buildings are in Dubai? Now let's get back to the topic again. The project began in 1994 and employed over 2,000 construction workers at its peak. You must be thinking, how much does a room in Burj Al Arab cost? If you have some extra cash, you can always book a room in the Royal Suite. One night will set you back nearly $18,300, and the cheapest room will cost you around $1,300 per night. The Royal Suite costs around $25,000 a night. This room was earlier not for the random people, but only the invited guests that were allowed in it, the jewel and the crown of the Burj Al Arab. The suite has 2 rooms named the King's Room and the Queen's Room. Fancy enough for you? Wait, there's more. The roof ceiling is filled with 24-karat gold plates and even the walls. The King's bed can rotate 360 degrees, and the Queen's Room has a giant mirror on the top ceiling of the bed. Also, it gets a private elevator, because why do you need stairs when you're that rich? Wink, wink. The Royal Suite is filled with antiques and artworks from all over the world, like the Japanese screen. The TV also has 24 gold plates on it. Fun fact, all the carpets are handmade in the hotel and are from India. The hotel has its own pillow menu. Yes, you heard it right. They have a pillow menu where they provide different types of pillows to their guests to get a blissful night's sleep. The marble bathtub and the toilet, which has its own remote control, are further highlights. Colors, luxurious textures, and geometric patterns abound throughout the place. The 4 elements, water, fire, wind, and air, influence the hotel's interior design. The suite doesn't feel like a hotel room. Rather, it feels like you're staying in a real palace only. The Burj Al Arab is extremely popular among Chinese tourists. Chinese nationals account for nearly a quarter of all bookings. At a height of 200 meters, or 660 feet, there's a restaurant called Al Muntaha, or the Ultimate, that offers an incredible view of Dubai. Al Mahera, or the Oyster, on the other hand, is a restaurant beneath the ground that gives you a view inside a massive seawater aquarium. The aquarium holds approximately 990,000 liters, or 260,000 US gallons of water, and the glass is approximately 18 centimeters, or 7.1 inches thick, to withstand the pressure from all of that water. The management has assured them that they have never used this as advertising and that they are aware that the 5-star rating they have is all they will ever receive. They most likely appreciate it when customers refer to their hotel in this manner. The term was coined by a British journalist who visited the hotel and described the above and beyond reception she received. The Burj Al Arab has a luxury platform measuring 10,000 square meters. There are 2 pools, cabanas, and a beach area of 1,120 square meters. To make it even more realistic, 1 million kilos of white sand were imported, and the pools were decked out with 10 million gold and azure mosaic tiles. The helipad has been a popular attraction for stunt performers. Tiger Woods teeing off on it, Roger Federer and Andre Agassi playing tennis on it, and David Coulthard having fun in his Formula One race car are just a few examples. The hotel has a shuttle service with Rolls-Royces and a helicopter and a private beach. Interesting fact: the hotel is now transforming another aspect of your daily routine into something far more opulent. A cappuccino made with real 24-karat gold. The coffee is made with 100% Arabica beans and foamed milk that has been generously infused with a generous quantity of luxurious 24-karat gold. The drink, which is safe to drink, is then adorned with gold flakes and the Burj Al Arab design. The eider-down duvets in the room are among the world's most luxurious. Those duvets used at the Burj Al Arab are the finest and rarest in the world, as the hotel is notorious for not doing things by halves. In Iceland, the down is collected from abandoned eider duck nests. Only 2,000 kilograms of eider down can be gathered per year, thus the duvets are extremely valuable. Floor-to-ceiling windows with Gulf or city views grace the opulent suites. There are 24-karat gold iPads, free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, and iPods in every room. Egyptian linens, premium toiletries, whirlpool baths, and butler service are all available. Snooker tables, libraries, theaters, and private elevators are all included in the upgraded suites. Breakfast, parking, and water park passes are all complimentary. There are 9 restaurants and bars on site, as well as 4 pools and a private beach. A spa, a gym, a helipad, and a kids club are all available. All the things I think more than what you can ask for, as everything is in this dreamy island hotel and provided. Burj Al Arab has a heartwarming service at the exclusive outdoor lounge, a cherry on the top at the end of the tour. The tour includes a visit to the iconic hotel atrium, as well as a stay in the opulent royal suite. Guests can also relive history in a specially crafted experience suite with digital interactives. It will feature original architectural designs that show how it all began. The Premium Outdoor Lounge, UMA, is a must-see at the end of the tour, providing an outstanding venue for guests to enjoy the sparkling vistas of the Arabian Gulf's pristine azure waters and breathtaking sunsets. UMA will provide a delectable range of world-class cuisine, as well as the infamous mixology of the Burj Al Arab Jumriyah. Visitors can arrange a table for specialty dining at one of the hotel's award-winning restaurants to round out their unique experience. Even while most hotel suites are luxurious, spacious places, nothing compares to a visit to the Burj Al Arab. The tour includes a suite that looks nothing like a hotel room, but rather like the interior of a mansion, gilded and expansive. It's stretched out over 2 stories, and there are so many gold elements that it's difficult to take everything in at once. But when you go to some city, you tend to go to the most attractive place for tourists. The Burj Al Arab Hotel vision came up like that only. Dubai is the country of history, and the vision of believing in that vision and working hard every day to bring it to life should be the motto. This hotel's a landmark of vision, and now you have it in real. That's all the Burj Al Arab's about. And today, that's all for our video, guys. So if you like this video, then give the video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so that you never miss any updates.